It's like Eminem and Dr. Dre. If I love you more, I might be gay. And when I'm feeling down, you know just what to say. You my homie, yeah, you know me. And if you ever need a wingman, I'd let any girl blow me off. Cause you're more important than the rest. I confess, I'm a mess if I'm not hanging with my BFF. You know it's true, you my male boo. Now sing the chorus with me if you're feeling the same way too.
Nothing really gay about it. No, that there's anything wrong with being gay. Man, shouldn't be ashamed or hide it. I love you in the most heterosexual way.
Hold me to a promise that I'll be the kind of friend that in the end will always keep you company. Cause when the world gets tough and times get hard, I will always love you. I'll be your bodyguard cause you're my bestie. And if you test me, I'll prove it time and time again. I've got your back until the end. A brother from another mother. Never knew how much I loved it till I started singing this song.